In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to online IKEA kitchen planner. We'll walk through finding the official planner, understanding the free planning service, and booking either an in-store or virtual session so you can confidently map out your dream kitchen. Start by opening your browser and searching for Kitchen Planner IKEA. Look for the official IKEA result that takes you to the online kitchen planner. Once you're on the site, continue by selecting the kitchen design service, often labeled Design Your Dream Kitchen. This is where IKEA brings together its planning tools and expert guidance, so you're not designing alone. On that page, choose the option that says Plan Your Dream Kitchen with free kitchen planning service. Before you book anything, take a moment to read the section that explains how the planning service works. It outlines what's included, whether your session is virtual or in-store, and what to expect during and after the appointment. A quick tip: have rough measurements, photos of your space, and notes on your must-haves ready. These aren't extra steps you need to do right now, but they'll make your session smoother and more productive. Next, go ahead and book your slot. You'll pick the planning option that fits you and proceed to the scheduling page. After you submit your details, IKEA will get in touch to confirm and share any preparation notes. Keep an eye on your email and make sure your contact information is accurate so you don't miss the confirmation. When it's time to plan your dream space, your planner will help translate your ideas into a layout, recommend cabinet configurations, discuss finishes, and consider appliances and storage. If you have inspiration images or a budget range, mention them so the design stays aligned with your goals. If you prefer an in-person experience, you can book an in-store planning service in Quezon City or at IKEA Pasay City. Choose the store that's most convenient for you, and select a time that works with your schedule. Prefer to meet from home? Click to book a 1-hour virtual planning session, then select Book Your Virtual Appointment Now. You'll see session options. Choose Kitchen Startup Planning Solution if that matches your needs. Finally, select your date and time. Double-check your time zone and keep your confirmation handy so you can join promptly. That's all you need to get started with IKEA's online kitchen planning journey. Follow these steps, bring your ideas, and you'll be well on your way to a kitchen that looks great and works beautifully.